Let's create an easel card together. I'm Andrea Lake and I'm leaving the measurements here. You can pause the video for a second and it is time now to grab your all-in-one tool from We Are Makers. That's the only tool we need to create this card. Apart from that piece of cardstock, I'm cutting 4 pieces. One is 4.5 by 12. The second one is 4.5 by 6. And then from the remaining, we need 2 pieces are 4.5 and 3/4 of an inch. Now grab the longer piece first, and on the longer side, we're going to score at 3 and 6, and we're going to fold our paper. That's what's going to give it the easel shape. Then it is time to, you can see the shape here, and now it is time to add adhesive to that bottom small flap. And then grab your 4.5 by 6 piece and adhere it from the bottom. You also need a 4.25 by 5 3/4 piece of pattern paper. That's going to be our card front. And then we're going to overlap our 2 small pieces. We're going to adhere it inside, and this is what's going to prevent our card from sliding once we open it. Perfect. And once we have that, it's time to decorate our card. I'm using 3 pieces of ephemera. These are all from the Reasons to Smile collection by Shimelle. I'm overlapping them using foam adhesive, and let me show you the trio of cards that I make. This is the first one. I think this one is my favorite. I have this other one, and yep, just super easy. Piece of cardstock, few pieces of ephemera, 1 piece of pattern paper, and your all-in-one tool.